Chai. Ọhaneze. Ifo na mgbe na-ekwu na-agwa gị na ife ọjọọ adịrọ mma na Igbo si na mehie ma onye ọbụla amalọ etu a akwasị ebe akwa na aka ndị ọ na-emere oke ite ma ndị na-agba ara si ebe yọrasta ihe ọjọọ adịrọ mma onye ọsọ ya bụrụ ka ọ na-eme yọtara a sịrị onye mere amarọ share the telecast onye o mere amarọ ihe ndị ekwu okwu a na-eti mkpu na-atụ aka abụọ na m ada ekere ka etu esi eru kidnap akwa ọkọ but you know a sị na mgbe mmadụ na-akpa mmadụ ka ọ na-akwa onwe ebe mmadụ na-agwakwa onwe mmadụ ibe eziokwu ka ọ na-agwa onwe ọ dịbụ Yahweh ọkara mmadụ ọkara mmụọ onwe ya na Chukwu na-ama aka reach tomorrow onye ọsọkwa oboro anya ka ndị si we are the mighty the most powerful altar in the world Yahweh you understand he says the senior king of devil that is this one is giving pastor power. Nobody have power to give God, to give prophet of God. You only give power to your fake native or to fake pastors and to fake this. And remember that I won Akwa. The day he came out to say na Chiru can disappoint you. And he needs Ogwu. I told you that Ogwu can disappoint you. What he needs is Chi. Chi is your guiding angel. Chi is your God. ChukwuKa Dibia is your Chi. That Chi is what will make you when there is an evil plan. Chukwu. You see, Chukwu Emperor and him. Say you know why he is. I want to Chineke kidnap akwa. He just want to prove to you. Ndani ha na-eji ọgụ ma mmiri enwelo ha ma ndị ezobe ha na-edeceive you na believe na ọgwụ bụ isi ngwa na ezi onye isi ndị ọgwụ ọ ya bụ chief priest na ụmụ neti doctor ụmụ pastor n'ezie na ezie ka o si wo onwe na ala
but ibe ya ribudo efu na inwere ọchị chi ugbo ka onye bụ otido chi ugbo ka onye bụ otido ndị chi ọsọ bụ nwee wee chere ka ekwenyere ka ịma na egbe ya egwu ha ji enwe akịrịba nwee mkpọrọgwụ eji enwe ọkanga onye bụrụ egbe na-akpara gị mgbe
onye bụrụ egbe na-akpara gị mba ịma ya ọla nara egbe ọgwụ karịa ọgwụ ọbụrụ ọbara ọla ka ebe ọgwụ ahụ niile nọ akwa ọkọ si na nwere 250 idol na-amụ amụ si na onwe ha onye nwere ọgwụ nwere onye ọma chọtụrụ native doctor niile down chọtụ all those fake prophet and all those fake nonsense reverend fathers down ọkwa ifuru today na reverend father elegana onye ọrụ na-agbazi ọsọ ọ mana debe ya wee mebiga everywhere don't worry they come agwaghị na ndị Igbo ga-adị mma. We are not happy for what happened to Akwa Okuku, but we are also against evil because I will be a testimony to thousands of people. Because you know human can have kidnappers. As the Bible says, do not be jealous of the wicked, that you will look around and will not see them again. So almost when anywhere 10 billion are not care. When 100 billion some are not care. Facebook brought on a page. Child, once you stop mocking this, are you mad? Do you know how many people that are mad because of those your nonsense You think you're talking to one kind useless this thing? You mama don't know because of Okite. In a bego. When I told Akwa Okuku, you're supposed to be the one to build hospital, build spiritual place. A bag and a warrior. That time on our hotel, no, say I'm jealous. Jealous of what? Open Akwa Okuku ebe ọ na-eme ndị mmadụ ọgwụ ọ gaghị anọ na hotel na dibia nwe ihe gbasara with hotel akwa ha been define ọ bụgo na akpọrọ ya oku every day na hotel ebe ka nke a na-eme onye si na ọ bụ onye omenala ndị omenala na-agbakọrọ up God will show you mercy, you come. But my God, and nwụrụ anwụ, they are human being too. Yes. Ogwu karịa ọbụ ọgwụrụ ọbara ọla ka ebe ọgwụ niile ahụ. Ogwu karịa ọgwụ ọbụrụ ọbara ọla eji egwu ọgwụ na ya. I said, that is hate. Thunder Bawogan, that's your hate. Someone that told me that is going to bring assassins for me. It's on record, I have the video. So let the assassin visit him. So come on, go inside. That is what he planned that it will happen to him. That's what God said. Yes. Father Lord, show him mercy. Good prayer. What about if he's the Yahweh Kabawuru? You will be happy, Abby? Do you know that God is not a man? You don't know what the person is planning is secret. My God have promised me that nobody can stand in this world and challenge you. That any day we think what will happen to the Yahweh, that will be your last 8 on the 8. Go and ask question. I don't know they're mocking, but I'm just telling you. I say have power that you kill me. This wife also, you know my address, you send assassin. I told you the day you think of it, that will be your last 8 on 8. Then I'll be a hotel. And no matter how I want to cover the truth, is it because you're probably afraid? If I open my phone, what is Aragon then apata? They want to learn mad. They want to do this and they no be 1, no be 2, no be 3, no be 4, no be 5, no be 6, no be 10, no be 100. Those are Cambodia, London, South Africa. Different people inside prison because of even the Ogwu carry Ogwu Ogwu carry Ogwu Ogwu. So well Ogwu. Now she in a season now she means ChukwuKa Dibia. God is a spirit that will direct you. Before something happened, the God Chineke ga akpọpụ ebe a. Ebe ya Chineke gị. Si na enwe na Chukwu enwe power, na Ogwu nwere power, enye Chukwu ike. Sino king of devil. Well, we are chatting. Somebody says he's sino king of devil, so you should practice what he preach. I never told you that I have my heart spirit. I never come to tell you and give him devil power. He says he's giving us power. He's giving God power. He has everything. That no, she have no power. Do you know what is she? She is your guardian angel. And if you want to do sham, you spoil that power, you will no longer become who you are. But like I used to tell you, if you don't believe, you believe the testimony. Because I tell you the truth, he hurt me. Don't worry, you believe the testimony. You put the testimony. My name is Prophet David Yahweh Chukwu Dibia. I have killed 100 and something thousand witches and wizards, demons. I didn't think I'm making out. I told you what I know. I'll do the Lord for me. Witchcraft the Lord for me. I was saying about Akwa Okuku I said I would die. Why wouldn't I post it? Was it hidden? Akwa Okuku Tabu Efi Nisi David Yahweh. But and then everything did not work. I have destroyed the powers of Occultic. What are you talking about? Someone that told me will send me assassin. Is he hidden? Comment. Didn't you hear when he said it? Didn't you hear when he said that if any pastor talk, he will kill him under 4 days? Why not use that in power, kill those people that come to kidnap him? No, you should be the one to kill those people that come to kidnap him and kill his own people. You should start from there. Let us see the power of that Ogwu. I don't have Ogwu. Ogwu carry Ogwu. We're all Ogwu. Ogwu. Ndokite. Your kingdom has failed. I told you. I have destroyed the powers of Occultic. And I will destroy White Mary and White Jesus the same way I destroy Occultic. So my country church of Satan, get ready. I will chop you down. All those nonsense practice, killing our people, deceiving, hiding, will shut all of you down. That is my assignment. I don't care about church. I don't care about church. I close my church because of lies and put over during a church. It's in the metro tradition. See, let me tell you, you don't know what havoc those people are causing. Even the God of Igbo land is angry with all those nonsense of Dibias. What are you talking about? See, let me tell you. Nwoke na mba ka amụrụ ibie. Ekumeko. Okay, I'm about the warlord, the spiritual warlord. The boss amụrụ nwoke na mba ka amụrụ ibie. Dibia gwọrọ ọzọ bụ dibia. Ka ọ ma miss. Why is the miss? Why you no come miss? No, also you know nwere ọgwụ miss. You know bịa gwọrọ ọgwụ na ọ na-agwọ ọgwụ miss. I warned him. No one nwere shọkụ na. Let me pray it again. Maybe you have forgotten. You cannot be. I don't have my ChukwuKa. O nwere kilo fugo. Ọgwụ karịa ọgwụ. Ọbụla ọbara ọla na ya.
But if you libido, if you name Loshi, ChukwuKa Otido, ChukwuKa Otido. This is also a good way. Wait till you get when you look at man and everywhere you go. Dear Matreba, one bottle, a dear Morganga. And you play with not Balagan Bem.
When you believe what about my about parent, you know, say, but what we say about you, my God, they are security men, 2 people. He's back. Good that he's back. No, you all come on over. Let that shame be upon him because for you that you wanna go be all this, be away and be a man, came out and I hear it now. No one power than all power belong to Yahweh. Ochukwu zo mmadụ. Onye Chukwu echelo n'ihi na ndị nche na-amụ anya. Onye Chineke echeho n'ihi ka ndị nche na-amụ anya. Onye Chukwu echeho n'ihi na ọgwụ ahụ na amasị ọgwụ 1 billion. Only 1 prayer point will destroy it. Bebe ka ndị ilo hapụ ichete. Bebe ka gana chigido na mụ ụbọchị a ga-echete gị ọ bụrụ na ị nọ ya n'ime travel. That is what you pray. That's why the Bible says, lead us not into temptation. Psalm 23. Psalm 23. Oh Lord, lead me not into temptation. Oh my God, that day now, Obuna Chideke na abia, Nandilo na abia. Obuna, if Akwa was not there, they would not kill anybody. Hanecha hapo. Yes. Yabu, oh Lord, lead me not into temptation. Psalm 23. That day, Akwa Okuku, one of his friends call him. Akwa, let us go to Enugu. Happy Abuna Akwa no, Oyabu God, Chiye na Zonia, Oyabu the angel of earth. Come on, my job Ogwu. Come on, Chindunilo. That all will die. Come on, I will become billionaire. I will not be in peace with my God. I don't need it. Because once you're in peace with your God, you become spirit. You become angel. All that your guardian is what's protecting you. Go and watch the yesterday video. That video I make yesterday is what is playing now. How can a pastor go about all when Dibia will never send them mad? How can Dibia now what pastor okay? Now they do proud and I couldn't go Purakula, but when I Purakula. Igbo land is against evil, and I'm against evil. I'm not against Igbo tradition. I'm not against Christianity. I'm not against Sabbath. I'm not against any show. I'm against evil. In the sense that they have not say like because say I'm going to walk on Igbo be dissenting. When you just watch and see. Give him small time and you understand what I'm saying. Only for this. Can you hear this? You know the bomb. Bomb me 18 number no court and dodger. Only can 18 number no court and do local. The same God, the same goddess. Mary and the one child are the same thing, nothing different. I'm going to go. I can't deceive you. Mark my word. What was supposed to hear in this video that Akwa miss? Don't be say they carry Akwa. No. He can come back. They paid him. We paid money. Come back. Yes, it's normal. The victory here is supposed to be Akwa Okuku. They come to carry him. He miss. That is the point. Meaning that here on a preach, he can do it. It's like a preacher can heal somebody. If I could bring a sick person, I cannot heal. I mean, I have failed my duty. As long as it's a spiritual sickness, it may cost me money. I tell you, look at you. I say, okay, let us manage. But if you have one, I will know what I will do. The thing will stop because that's my field. So as somebody now won't do matter okay, now I will disappear and miss and disappear. You should be the first to do that. Okay, how there was Bopia, I miss you. Even after all, then when it is now about 4 days, 5 days miss. No, what are you talking about? Somebody say, come and no, he's back. No, good. He will back. They have collected money. They have killed. What about those people? 2 people that died. Have they used their Ogwu to bring them back to life? He's back. Good. Came back and Haburu Ojugo Habo back because of him getting bunda. I don't know human being. I don't know people father. I don't know if people brother. I don't know if people family. I will carry on brother balola. Uneto sino nonsense or uneto. Yeah, I want to achieve. Your chi is your God, ChukwuKa Dibia. Chia is what called ChukwuKa Dibia. ChukwuKa Dibia nyego ChukwuKa Dibia warrior. Onyekwe chi means have faith in yourself, not in somebody. I never tell anybody to come and have faith in me. That's why I answered David Yahweh. God, they have created heaven and earth. Program and do is Yahweh. David Yahweh means ChukwuKa Dibia. Say na Dibia Chukwu. I will give you that power. Without God, God can disappoint you. Are you trying to tell me Akwa does not have Ogwu disappear? Is this a small juju and yame? Disappear, even small Dibia where they can do it. Witchcraft they disappear. Is their field, they're supposed to do it. So if you can't disappear, that means the power have destroyed. No Dibia that doesn't have disappearing this thing. That means you're not a Dibia. No Dibia that doesn't have disappearing and appearing juju. That's why I asked them to appear in my place. The same way they appear in London. They're disturbing our brothers, our sisters that's in abroad, disturbing people in the hospital, killing innocent people. What is witchcraft? Witchcraft, they can disappear. They go to their room, they disappear. They can turn to bed. Ekumeku. Ndoko. I don't fear any man. Forget that in the web time. Man, I go sit down. I've shut down the powers of darkness. Tested and trusted. Before I will come out on the Facebook, tell you that I have 1.12 million angels that each of him, channels appear that they channels are with me. He thinks saying a joke will come to joke. We know they call police for anybody. We know they send the assassin. Now God will use your hand. That evil that you plan, God say, do not be envy of the wicked. Because when you look around, you will not see them. What are you talking about? You're telling people to come and do Ogwu or this. Ogwu disappear. On your own time, you know if you perform the miracle to disappear. That means you're a fake. Nuisance. Deceiving my people. Some people have wanted to give you 3 million naira. See how wicked you are. Collecting 3 million naira from people. 3 million. 3 point something. Yeah, nonsense. How much are everything close? Let's go 3 million. Okay, 3 million. 3.5. Boss, I'm not about abroad. Because if someone will threaten them, they will fear. Hello? God bless you. Wait, I will call you. Say stop nonsense. Stop nonsense. What? Thunder fight, kill you and kill your family. The time Akwa Okuku come out and say he's giving pastors power. If anybody talk, you will kill him. Do you tell him to stop the nonsense? Show me where you light it and show me where you make video. No, show me where you make video to tell Akwa Okuku to stop the nonsense. You're hearing him. You're telling him, oh, you're too powerful. You want to silence prophet of the Most High God that we know that what we have done, he can't do it till he die. How many lives have you saved? How many lives have you saved? Everywhere. I was on the phone and prayed for. I delivered more than 20,000 people without seeing me, without wasting their money, without telling them to come and pay for hotel. Just join partner, pay small money. I knew what I did it. I did it to prove to the whole world that I can be here, settle cases over the whole world. Most of you people that did Occultic, when the Occultic is disturbing them, they cannot be able to deliver them. They will still call the prophet. It's prophet that will still carry the problem. If you know that this phone is off now, before I will come out, see, let me tell you, before I will come out and begin to say anything, I get name. As is Fakego. My name have gotten to worldwide how many years ago? So I can't come out because of who is Akwa. It's nobody. The only what is drawing my attention is when he came out because I fasted for 1 year. I stayed in the wilderness for 3 years. So I cannot walk any fake pastor or fake prophet to come out and begin to claim what he cannot do. I can't allow it. It's better for me to fight with my last board than to keep silent. Many of you are just scared. Nobody won't hate you the money. You're calling with a hide number. I don't pick hide number. Who is this? Ando Kita Rapon. Can you hear? Oh, by your phone. Ando Kita. I with a hide number. I know them. They said they put my name in 2,000 idol. I will die under 2 months. How many years now? Going to 2 years. I've saved over 100 and something million souls from occultic deceive and everything. You say, do you know what people are facing? You know what people are facing? People are dying because of those nonsense. Share the telecast and share it. Let him get to him. King of devil. Share it. Ekumeko. Share the telecast. On it. Basa knows here. Let him get to him. Let him watch it in his house. Kamata Nika don't know. Juse Kerebe Kumekudu. Ogwu Karago, Brother, Babu woman Nabana Hotel. You know, protect, you know, if you protect your people, they secure you. That means you don't have any protection. I cannot say what I cannot do. Spiritual. Akwa Okuku finish the Yahweh. Buo Okuku, buo Mkata, buo Yema, buo Agwa, cover the Yahweh, because I can some people make mouth of when you're making mouth, you didn't know that there's the Yahweh. In a banana, Kona, Bai, a woman, a man, my name with the Yahweh. Karabosha. I never talk about native doctor before in my life. I see your evil. I left you because I'm an only Jacka native doctor earlier. He said, oh, and I was already fighting pastors. When I was fighting TV, they are alive. When I fight with Ibichiri, Jeremiah, them, they are alive. All the pastors is what because they are my field. When you draw my attention, when you now leave your own side, saying in a pastor, you can say, okay, so you're the pastor of people that so you're part of people that destroy my people. And I go to Moka, Simba, you must collect. You must collect. That's why I got angry. You know, you don't know me because of my miracle I perform. You don't know me because of anything. Many of you know me because of my movie. Many of you know see what I do. You don't want to. You don't see it. You do like you don't. You don't want. It's not something. If you go to my page, you see miracles that I perform. Somebody that spent 3 something million naira. I'll be rich. I got my native doctor everywhere. No solution. But that video now, put that video. You never feel watch and reach come on 1,000 to show that all of you you don't like the truth. If you go to, if you see law miracle, people have spent 12 something million going for Roman Catholic. He's a Roman Catholic member, head of Roman Catholic. Okagoma, Kotonu Gama, Dibia, Gama, Enugu State. One encounter with the Yahweh. Go and watch the testimonies there. But nobody share the video. You nobody watch it because you don't want God to be glorified. If you don't believe, you believe the testimony. We have come to tell you that no power. This is the last gospel. I know they preach from Bible. Bible is here. You may preach from Bible, because no foreign book, no doctrine, no. What I practice is Igbo tradition. Judaism is a false religion. Both Christianity, both Islam. Judaism is tradition. Torah. On the Roman Catholic, Tiwara. Marriage apare today. Eto akwa ọkọ marriage apare no pastor. Can no Catholic, can no level for marriage apare no ndoka. How can you be worshiping aru sendocha? Eputa na my ebuko bi oburu my say anybody that worshiping idol Chineke boy ọkọ. Nke ahụ na worship that one na worship marry out Chineke ga boy ọkọ na marry out. Because can we must talk all of them all. A fake prophet calling somebody fake. How will you know fake? Fake anybody that is doing evil. How can you lie to your people? Even when you know the truth. Ebukobi have got Israel come back. He did not really separate there. I'm going to separate in Israel. But I better go to Nigeria, go to separate. I'm going to separate. I go to Mary, buy Jesus. See, Ebukobi, if he be able to lead separate, because I go in Israel before him. I went to Israel with Adeboye, with power pastors, almost 300 pastors. Yes. It's a trip. I will not join Israel, go separate, go that rosary. I will bomb my Bible. I will never answer prophet. That means I'm a fake. But then because when he go in Israel, he go separate. He go he go house in daughter. That means you're a fake because when no rank from Romans and Israel. Israel are people of Igbo, Jews. We are the one that own the Bible. The Bible belongs to the people of Israel. Share it. Let people begin to know the truth. Yeah, but why you no Catholic? Oh, my Catholic people show me one Roman Catholic people now that doesn't go to Dibia. Go to one and okay, and I got address. 80% of church Akwa Okuku Roman Catholic, Ezobi Roman Catholic, Matthias Bible Roman Catholic, Mile Wilo Akoraku, Oyisin Daros, Oyisin Momewata Roman Catholic, Ikuku nke nọ na Enugu Roman Catholic. Ezobi, Roman Catholic. So what? Okay, you also talk and what? Why is it that their Mary Hannah converted their children? When the foundation is destroyed, what will I just do? When they find out that the same thing I can't how I happen to see, let me tell you, I cannot give you that our fought with, I've killed over 100 and something thousand. Mary had promised me, if not, so let me die. I swear this is our water. Mary had promised me billion. I shall allow people to be dying. While Mary, I cannot. That's your kingdom, I will destroy it. Only they said they will close my ministry. And they did it. That was a knocker. The church I built 4. You have not seen the picture. No, the church 4. I fought. Demon was there. They appear. They build the mountain 4. But that is the kind of thing. That's what they can do. They can't do anything because they say, touch not an anointing and do my prophet no harm. When I tell you that they're sending attacks, you think it's joke. See how God do something. If you are fighting children of God, God will find. That's why if I say, I'll let cause. If you go home, your children will die. If you come back, your beginning will begin to see before you know it to die. Is that a cause? Because God is not a man. I can never be mocked. I don't have my aka with Chukwu. ChukwuKa Dibia. I don't have my aka. I don't have my aka. ChukwuKa Dibia. You just put on a ChukwuKa Dibia. You just for one up. I should beg a jabon. You just for you put on a ChukwuKa Dibia. You put on a ChukwuKa Dibia. You just walk. No kid.
Bluetooth mode.
He said, why do you always talk and behave like this? What is your name? You're an idiot. You're a fool. Why didn't you ask Akwa Okuku, is he talking and behave like that? When he's telling you people that he's giving pastors power, and you're there hearing him, making him to become God. He's telling you he's senior king of devil. You're praising him. He call us fake. Don't worry. If you don't repent, your own time is coming. Leave this page. You go to your nonsense page. Don't call me Muguya before God will punish you. Don't go to my page to like nonsense. Before you go to house, your family will begin to die. If you want to collect it, I'll give it to you. I will give you debt. You will confirm it. I have sent to 7 Igbo. If it's only what I did, I'm not interested in the church. I close my church because of what? If this is what I'm preaching now. If you preach it in Ebuka church, everybody will run away. If you preach it in Mbaka church, everybody will run away. If you preach it in Muonso church, you will not have one member. So before I start, I know the consequences. The consequences is either you come and make the members, or they will deceive them. So I'm already saying I know they do church. That's why more than 1 million people called me all over the whole world last year. Go on the internet, go and watch videos, see course. Only about those week. It's only when I have time I pick. Because what? I'm not a prophet. I'm one of the richest prophets to start prophet. I started my ministry in 19. I seen them back in the church. I seen them going. Most of those people, only person that seen me in ministry, TB Joshua used 1 year to see me. I started in 1990. 1990. TB Joshua started in 1989. Go and do research. I was small. So I brought my kind of Abraham. If you hand, again. You must know the truth, and truth will set you free. I don't know pastor. I don't know pastor. Government say, pastor don't get power. So where is the power, pastor? Where is the power of this thing? When they shoot Apostle Suleiman, all of you are happy. Say, a bread proof that saved him. Everybody need that bread proof. Nobody's God. It's only God that can protect you. So why the bread proof? Why the Ogwu about height? So why you know protect Akwa Okuku hotel? You're supposed to do that sham. So when anybody is coming to that hotel, it will not enter. It will go another way. That should be the thing you're supposed to do. Because it's not a, if it's pastor, if it's the Yahweh, all of you be, that pastor, it's the boss, it's the boss, according to the boss. Somebody tell you that the Jew is more than God. She, don't want she is your God that came. God say you're a little God. And that God inside you is God. That is the she. She I mean ChukwuKa Dibia. It's more than anything. So anytime you do Juju that destroy that power that follow you to come to this world, you don't have power again. That's why I'm laughing at you. You know, because you're low kid. You're low kid, happy mother. All the person that are using that low kid today. Okay, show me one person that did low kid that richer than the native doctor. Nobody. No, show me one person that did okay. gwa m ofu onye mere oke ite ka akwa ọkọ jide ego gosi m ofu onye eze mere oke ite ka jide ego gosi m his hotel gosi m his investment. But I will show you people that I prayed for. They are multi-millionaire than me. That's what it should be. Because he meant to make your sons and daughters to be richer than you. If you want to come to Lagos, I will show you crown authors that say car. Now me build them. Many of them like that. So I build. See, your sons and daughters are supposed to be richer than you because they meant to surprise you. Just that Nigerians are greedy. I'm not supposed to use my money to buy anything. Now my sons and daughters are supposed to do everything. Just that Nigerians are greedy. Or some people agree. Well, after God do for them, they will go. Until when they go down, they remember as a prophet. If you want to do it the way it's supposed to be, as I work for them spiritual, they brace, physical thing that they go provide them. So riches is not part of it. So anything that after saying no riches. No. Nothing that is a spiritualist is supposed to go be okay. But not be to come and be doing. No one has said it, people have said, you're envy. No. I'm not supposed to do crop, do what that. That's the reality. But you will not tell him the truth. Why we're saying this is so other people can learn. If all of them begin to do that, small native doctor started yesterday, they want to build a hotel. Before you know it, you begin to kill human being. They bury. Anambra State, they kidnap people every day. So you can't get what they kidnap today now. For Oka, from Enugu State to Anambra State. What are they using the truth? Okay, I'll show you why in Enugu. You almost had a kidnap, shall we go? Oh, I can't go for police or boss. Go on the internet. Now, only last week, more than 10 people have been kidnapped. See one that they kidnapped in Imo State. I prayed for the see that one. The other one for Enugu State. One again for Enugu State. For Enugu State. In Oka. This morning, I was seeing that video this morning. I've not downloaded it. Udo State. Just share, you will see it. Udo State. Again from Enugu State. Teacher, had own teacher. His own teacher carried the girl from school. How will you know? Oh, I'll be asking go school, he miss. If you don't kill the girl, cut and use and do a kid. A girl go crop, he pick money, he go fall inside, the girl go die. They say fall inside this. He fall inside where? Why the security people know they fall inside the where? Where there's light, the girl know they see say this thing there. The other fool say, yeah, but Ogwu ego agwara. Ogwu ego no that Ogwu actually. If the girl, if you want to go to my page, you see it. In case you watch okay, I say na no get do with any one and one ga balance. Share the telecast, click love and the like. Stop putting all this here. Accept you don't like the truth. And if you don't like the truth, you will correct it on your evil days. It's coming. Because Bible says, he that covers the sin will not prosper. Even if he's okay, he got half. He gets so. He gets so. He will give away. He will follow correct it. And your evil is evil. Whether or who is doing it. If you see the one I'm doing it, evil is evil. I'm not the pastor that tell you I don't collect money. I mean I collect money. I'm not the pastor. I don't get church. Only way I can see to do the movement is covenant. You join partner. That's way. And I will not collect big money, small money, take the money. But I cannot deceive you to come and tell you, I'll give you prophecy. Your mother is dying. Go and sell your house. Your father is dying. Go and sell your house. You come and do drug. I have a pastor praying for drug people, praying for racial people, praying for why wouldn't that pastor have money? The same pastor I tell you, say, I know they collect money. 3 years ago, that person will get seat. You don't get land. Today, don't get land. I want over 2 billion. How did he get it? Is he not a ritualist? Is he not a this thing? Now, so they make money. Call the pastor, call the native doctor. If we receive, oh, can all brother. Case no king God devil. God will put you to shame. Yes, it's God that put you to shame. Because Emaroye Kaganaka, Adama ChukwuKa, Adama Muaka. Pericom Masiru, Omi Fetch the Ogwu, Makara ChukwuKa Dibia Wondoya, Omabu Alice Dibia. Tested and trusted. They pray the show. How can you come out and say Chukwu? Yes, we know. You came out from Church of Satan. You came out from the Catholic Church of Satan. Christians, full Christians, brand what Christians who don't know the word of God because of what? He's back. Was he supposed to remain there before? As he's back, he's supposed to remain there before. We are praying for you to go and come back, but let him know there's no power in those things that he's using to make him out. The example about Noga, the example Chineke, you want to let him know that Akwa Chegara, Bible. You get me chegara, yes, one chegara. All the video will say, come and carry, come down, maybe more wound that you can't go no, or can all, or Brabala. Akwa Okuku put that and prove it. Tell me the day I will come and carry those juju and maybe a key one on. He says it's out already. But I could go last year. Akwa is back. Odogwu no be guy name. What about ndị egburu ndị a egburu ọhụ nwa mmadụ ka ha bụ? Ọ maka akwa ka ejigbu ha. Ọma Odogwu ọ bụ Odogwu should protect his empire. Abịa gbawo ndị ndụgo na ha na-abụ iburu Odogwu na you're not a guy man. Because anything you do, you should make sure the people that are working with you should be protected. No, he's back. I'm happy for him that he's back. But ChukwuKa Dibia. As Dibia was also, even Igbo know the lie. As Igbo was also Dibia. Igbo say na Dibia was also Dibia. Came a Ogwu. Came a Ogwu. E carry for Chukwu. Came a Ogwu. Mbasi ya nwe ya kwuru si ya kwuru ye she jine. So I say he sacrificed them. See, let me tell you, no matter what you are, no matter what you do, see this tomorrow. If I open my back, I will show you bread. Now after I finish, I can't say this life. No, nothing down. If I open my back, you got free Bible. It's close blend the buyer. Nobody will see here. Okay, that's about 2006. That's why I know that this life is vanity upon vanity. I shared 10 buses one day that worth over how many million to my drivers. That's why I started charity. I spent almost in that program. I spent like 10 million because I said, okay, so people for eat this morning now. My brothers never eat, and they never said they know they eat, but I said no. And I call them. I have 60 something staff that are working with me. Don't know more than 60 something. You better an office, you better a government house. Ask people. Okay, imagine when I have 20 boss, 20 driver, 20 secretary, not be 40. Not be 40 people. I know they talk about people that are working on commission. I know they come here to take fruit. I have branch, Lagos, Abuja, Kano, Kaduna, Port Harcourt, Onitsha. I have branch houses. I have shops, all those places. And I have a house. I have people. Each state I have 2 bosses. But when something happened, and I have to call the boss back. All of them came back. Then when they came back, some drivers are wicked. They went to spoil my car. The good drivers, they maintain the motor. Some even went far to carry, because you know, say the engine oil, the diesel oil that they ship. So the guy went to buy diesel oil, pour in the engine oil of fuel. That motor knock engine. They told the motor to Lagos. I look at him and laugh. Before I came down, a man don't swear like this. That's evil that they do. So what I did is this. Out the whole good drivers that reported very well, I said, let me shock them. But why I call them, I have a dream, I have a revelation. I already see my company going down. I was under attack. Then I was not like this. That's why I tell you that we are prepared very well. Only been funds 2006, almost 20 years. Okay, I go more, but about like this. Not because of Akwa Okuku or something, because of myself, because of the battle, because of what I've seen, because of God love me. I would have died. So for me to say now I want to kill me, you're not killing me, because I've done many things. What I've done now, I've made a video, more than 2,000 videos. That video will speak for me in next 100 years. Even if I know more, I've made videos that will destroy forces of darkness, that will bring down the occultic church down. I've done those videos. Even your children grow, they watch it. Yes. We have made history. David Yahweh have made history, whether I like it or not. You will like it tomorrow. Tomorrow when you're in the problem, you remember that, David Yahweh said this thing. Many are crying today. Now what gonna happen? I said it. They said it. I said it. Akwa Okuku now will stop going to that hotel. Wash. Because I told you that time, I said, this is what you're doing. It's not part of your work. Me, you see, this was I am before was a hotel. I know they tell you, I know they can't lie to you. Here I was, ask people where I was in Lagos. Here I have a place, here it's called Iron Capital Hotel. When I start working for God, God told me, it can't be working for me and be doing, hotel, I show will lodge. Kidnappers will lodge. Thief will lodge. Prostitute will lodge. So you're promoting immorality. You're promoting immorality. You're not bringing good to our community. If it's now that time, go and watch the video I made that time. Not that I'm envy. If I could have done something like hospital, spiritual hospital, if I was making 1 million every day, we're making like 3 million. Instead, if you do it, collect money. You know, our problem is this thing. When you do something, people will say, you're collecting money. That's why I see some people, when they want to invest for church or something, they will not invest. They will use that money to go and invest somewhere else. Like all those winners, they will take the money to go and build a school, and they cannot go there. Not that they cannot do hospital, but if they build a hospital, they say, if I build a hospital, I will not be seeing money. How would I maintain it? Because you don't like the truth. Me, I prefer to build a hospital, and I'll still collect money. I'll make sure the service is centered, because if you don't collect money in some certain things, you cannot maintain the people that is working there. You cannot maintain the standard. They will leave. But if they go government hospital, they pay. If they go private hospital, you pay. Why church go open the one where we say they go subsidize the thing, you go pay? You go pay. If I have money, I want to open free one. But instead, if it's individual, you can do it and still make your money. Don't know about we just sell for 500,000. 1 million, 1.3 million. This girl that I've Alex from, the girl went somewhere before, only for his leg, they asked him to pay 1.6 million. Traditional place. So I said, it's too much. Why? Why? He now went to where it was in Udi. They collected 500,000. That girl that will less money for. Don't know about. If you say you no go pay, go your own way. It's what you pay that 500 and something thousand. Did you give the money to me? I was even the one that supported the movement to make sure she's okay. But that's the man's office. So if you tell him not to collect money, come and do it. Come and do it. Yeah, they collect money. Come and do it. Leave your business. Come and become the Yahweh. I say, we don't understand. Solution is a service. Anybody that offers solution is, I'm not against collecting money from Occultic or something. They can collect. Somebody use 10 million, go do juju. Or that's your own business. But no matter how much you spend in the kingdom of darkness, the prayer of God, if you bring that case to me, only one prayer I will do. That prayer, that juju will spoil. You say, Akwa must be, you say, only carry. I carry my Akwa only 1 million times. I carry all the only Dibia pass them. I said, I think you must see it. If somebody tell me the same as I say, is it today? Share it, let him see it. He must see it. Tell him that at least the Chukwu Dibia sneaker don't know where area. Tell him that the Yahweh or Karama or Karamo see how to see Jogu to honor, yet deceive the Oman 19. No, Wabro men and Igbo. If you Kusana Igbo, ya trouble do. I know they hide them everything I say. What I say is I'm sure of what I'm saying. Before I told you that okay to the moment, when I'm about that time, I'm when you see that snake show me about it. Snake that killing people, witchcraft. Muhammad spirit that combine together to become one to turn to Okite. This is my phone now that I want to on before. Or no agree on. Me pay go send Okite. Made deliverance. There are thousands. Some of them now today, at least their life for them not mad. Many of them today, they can't do anything. Many of them that do business, their life don't scatter. You think, okay, things are power no day. How many challenges you think say, I don't challenge? No, which Dibia I never challenge. Even when you say Jesus, when you through Jesus, what thing they do? Now you can't, they try their power. They have power, but it's more power. The only thing they make them, they feel they have power. They have deceived people. Do you know that I've not collected 1 million for somebody before? Since I started this, I've collected long time ago, but since I started, I just try to pity for people. I say, okay, let me help you. I've 100,000. This is my just work off with like 3 million. I will say, bring small money. I will use my own money to do it. That's why I may say knowledge, but I'm not interested. You can see, you go to my video, you can see some people that say they want to pay. I say, don't pay. That woman that do this thing that in Imo State, they did not collect money. I didn't collect one that I pray for her and I do some things. I don't came out. The one and this thing, the other woman that I call and see. Let me tell you, these are people that they have spent millions. If you go where they have go looking for solution. That man that talked by the letter, he has spent 24. The man have not given me one. I was even the one that had money to give the person made the surface. That's why I'm not rich. If I want to be rich, you know, go past 6 months. Prophet with solution. Prophet with solution. The only thing is, they have love for human being. If not to make money, say not to use gift to make money, or you go borrow leg. Somebody where they here, he HIV for phone. No problem, I cannot solve inside the phone. I can be here solve the problem. Without you wasting the money to come from America or something. Which I know if you ask you to come, you spend like 2 million. If you come, you pay for flight, you pay for hotel. Adi, you go spend like 3 million, I will be here. But such thing, I will say, bring money for Saraka, 100,000, 150, 110. So all this one, to buy biscuit, buy million, and manage. Hoping that after God bless you, you come and do Thanksgiving. Most of them are them house. By now, you're supposed to, I don't even need a car, I don't buy from, I have my own car and drive. I don't need all those for everyone, but only what I need is provide land in Anambra State so I can build free school, free this thing, and build the prayer city where I can be healing people, spiritual. And what they do. Anything that hospital cannot cure is what I do. But don't come and be manipulating me. If you come, you make promise. Say what you can do. Provide the written money for the Saraka. Any prayer I'll offer is Saraka. Because I started in 2006, so I cannot see you to change it. If you don't like it, go to your church. I know they call you to come to my church. He said, look at you, not even AC. So who will give me the money for AC? And the woman where they lost for him picking go pay for the AC. Oga, let me tell you, AC is not my problem. You can see no AC here. See AC. Not connected. Because I'm not interested. when somebody come, Oga, let's go see that. See AC, and I show you. This is no AC. It's somebody that one of my sons came. He said, oh, let me buy AC. I buy AC and put it here. Yeah, I've never fixed it. So relax. Your own is the problem, is your own, is your problem. You're talking like big man. Why if you go to where now you're living inside ghetto? AC is here. You know that you need collector. There's no AC, I never connected it. So leave all those kind of things. I will not here for live fake life. God bless you. I want to head on, nobody on. I know they live fake life. If you see, go see me for bus stop, I go easily the work. Go see me inside bus. So nothing not be. You can see me anywhere. I know the if I want to enter flight, I enter. So I know the. I know if I live all those kind of life you expected, who will pay for it? Is the members who will pay for it. People that follow me, I don't stress my people that follow me because we have a project. Our mandate is to liberate Igbos from power of, but not to give you stress. Say stop bragging. Okay. Now I want to do your work. When I want to security, when I want to kidnap, I'm kidnap. See, everyone cannot. If everyone like you, that means you're a fool. I don't want everybody to like me. Did all of you like me? That means what I'm saying does not make sense. Because why he hates it here? He said, truth is bitter. Tell you hear it. Truth is bitter. So anytime I start saying something that you love, all of you, that means there's no truth today. Because you know that white people came, they will deceive you. Give you another thing. You believe, oh, this is very nice. How will you know that Jesus was a black man? For over how many years you have been bowed down to fake Mary, fake Jesus? All of a sudden, just last year, because of the Yahweh, you now know that Jesus was a black man. And many of you have not believed. Many of you are still going to bow down to Mary, bow down to white, bow down to white Jesus or white Mary. You hear that there, Mary. And you will shout to say, hey, anybody that doing idol, anybody that doing idol. Idol is idol, whether it's a white idol, whether it's black idol. He said, okay, he's not a, he's a Hannah worship. He's a mother, Mary, you are calling Mary, he's a spirit of death. Is Mary God? Is Mary God? No. Pray to Yahweh. Pray to Chukwu. Pray to your chief. If I tell you now I'm Jesus and I fire, you take offense. Hello?
Hello, good afternoon.
Afternoon?
Sir, I just saw your number on Facebook and I decided to call you, sir.
Okay, please come here later. Is your God, who is your role model? Okay, let me tell you, my role model is God because human being has disappointed me. Okay? My role model are people that they see that are born their things. When I was growing up, I was fasting, praying. I want to be like Tiwara. I want to be like this one. I want to be like Bichiri. I want to be like Jem. I want to be like. I later came to close. I became them. I became their friend. When I went into deep, I found out that all of them are inside ground. They're worshiping Marine Kingdom. I said, shout, God. TV just attack me now. They attack me. That thing I said it to save the people, but you know, I'm not popular then. And Facebook shut my page. I said, no problem, we are coming. So again, the thing affect me, this thing. People now, everybody stop following me. I said, okay, no problem. But what I know, what I saw is what I say. But as I noticed, I said it there, that TV doctor will die very soon. You know, reach 2 years, a year prosper. The man go. Because he cannot fool children of God. He can't fool children of God. I told you that maybe I lost in daughter. Now maybe I will destroy Mary and send it to Europe. I've destroyed many. I destroyed why Jesus also. I've destroyed it. They're going to Europe very soon now. He come to even shame. It will be ashamed to have that statue in your church where the whole world have rejected it. When you already know the truth that Jesus was a black man, was a Jew, and you are still bow down to that. Very soon you see them. They begin to. 11 Father has sold one. Let me show you. I don't know. 11 Father has sold land. No one has been maybe everywhere. Never Father lega na ndu uka ka ogbofu na arụ mere ka nchọta ekumeku mmụọ na apụ. Let me tell you, forget all this thing. Now die once, my man go die. What you want to do? Well, you never seen before. Go sit down. Ogwu carry ogwu obula obala na ya. Ogwu carry ogwu obula obala. Okite. Never maybe the power of Okite, This is why I destroyed the power of Okite. Am I gonna? I don't want to say this is why I destroyed the power of Okite. That's it. And this is Okite. This is why the problem of Akwa started. Yeah, left. God bless you.